टर्निंग पॉइंट चेक कर. I guess now I am audible to everyone. Yeah. Um, I guess I am audible and hi everyone. So as I can see, I am already live and so I welcome you all and so I am Parvinder and today I'll be telling you about St. Lawrence College and we'll be discussing about the programs and criteria and everything. And the first I would like to thank you to Mr. Naresh. So he has given me the opportunity to be connected with you people even in this situation we are facing right now. And so yes, so starting with the very initial point, hello everyone. Hope you are keeping safe at your places, and everything is great at your places, and you're doing fine. You're doing good with your families. And talking about St. Lawrence College, so St. Lawrence College is a government institution. I guess which you, I guess it is audible to you, everyone, so you can hear my voice. Just give me a one moment. I just I'll just cross check if I'm audible. So yes, St. Lawrence College is a government institution which is located in Eastern Ontario, Canada, of course, and we have our three campuses within three different regions of Ontario, which is Kingston, Cornwall, and Brockwell. So Kingston is talking about the locations; they are very pretty. I mean, they are very close to each other. Talking about all of these three campuses, Kingston is a place which is known for its lively city. You'll find entertainment at the best, you'll find technology related at the best, right? And if you're looking forward to it is the best place to live, to raise your family. So yes, Kingston is the city to have a future. Talking about the other city, which is Brockwell. Brockwell is a city which is known for its tourism related industry because it is home to thousand islands. That is the reason it is known as national treasure. So people looking forward to a career of culinary tourism and even cookery, so they can go ahead and study within this Brockwell city. Talking about Cornwall, Cornwall is not a very, I would say, very city, but yeah, if you're looking forward to start up your business and looking forward to you know have your current feel like you want to work in small even mid scale industries, even the logistics, so it is the best place, I would say, so you can grow your career in there. Talking about these three cities, they are also very close by to Toronto, Montreal, and Ottawa, depending upon which city you're based out of. For example, if you're somewhere in Kingston, it would probably take 2 to 2.5 hours for you to travel to Toronto. You need not to take any flight, so you can just easily commute. Talking about the eligibility criteria, so I'll be switching to the eligibility criteria now. So we are, first of all, we are open for September 20 intake, so you can punch in your applications. And we do accept candidates with 6 each band score, and looking for the undergraduate programs. People looking for the postgraduate programs, we need to have you need to have 6.5, not less than 6, in your IELTS. And we do not accept any other proficiency test except IELTS. That is all, like if you're looking for that, we do accept TOEFL or IBT, anything like that. No, we do not. So only IELTS is accepted. And moving forward, talking about the academic percentage, so I'm good to take candidates with minimum 50. So if you are 12th graduate or postgraduate, I'm good to take you people with me. So looking forward, if any of your like student has a gap of more than uh, like maximum 5 years of gap we do accept with SLC. Of course, that has to be justified that what you've been doing after your last qualification, and you have to give us the justification for that. But yes, we do accept maximum 5 years of gap. Moving forward, if I talk about the programs we have, so we have range of programs from certificates to diploma and then advanced diplomas, and then we have bachelor's degrees too. We have fast track programs, postgraduate certificates, postgraduate diplomas. So we have everything. If you're looking forward to any kind of an program, we talk about health sciences, we have a technology related program also, engineering I'm talking about, and even if you're looking for business certificates, business diplomas, looking forward to grow in accounting sector or HR or marketing. So we have all those programs with us. Even if you're looking forward to, you know, and the growing field of artificial intelligence, yes, we do have those programs with us also. Looking forward to grow in game programming, yes, we do. So if you have any interest in these types of programs, we have it for you. Talking about the strongest program, if in my institutions, I would say I would talk about first the business program. So we have range of programs available in 2 years as well as three. I personally feel marketing is the better one because it links you to the lot many fields in the world. Because everyone who is doing marketing, like everyone who is in the business, they need market. They need to brand. I mean, they need to market their product. So I guess. It's the best when you can link yourself anywhere. So that's why I feel marketing is the strongest and within the business field. Talking about the health programs, we have for undergraduate programs, we again have range. Like if you're looking forward to go into early childhood education, yes, we do have. If you are looking forward to grow in something providing support to the people who are in the rehab center, something like that, looking for and we do have a program like that, like mental wellness and addictions worker. If you're looking forward to grow in the fitness and health promotion sort of a program, yes, we do have that also. um, Moving forward, if I talk about the programs, especially for the art students, the that what program they can go into. So a lot of programs, like you can apply into business also, you can apply into a lot of many you know culinary also. We have culinary with us, we have tourism with us, we have hospitality with us. They all are 2 years program. And the best part of the program, if I talk about within the SLC, that we have like almost all of our programs offers you co-op, which is like a paid internship which you do while pursuing your studies. You can do it in the fourth semester or even in the second, because there are a lot of programs which even serves two co-ops within the program. So yes, that's a better and best opportunity to for you people if you're looking forward to join SLC. Before I go ahead, I have one question from Mr. Rahul. So he says, yes, so I guess it's done. Moving forward, talking about the other programs within the engineering field. So, if someone is looking forward to go into IIT program, so we have computer systems technician. That's a wonderful program, and it is all about learning and providing support to the people, who are working in the, like, we need IT every week, where like in hotels, hospitals, even in day to day, even the talk about Walmart's, grocery stores. So this is where we need IT. So this is a wonderful course. You can again go anywhere to work. This is a 2 year diploma which leads to 3 year of work permit. And moving forward, talking about within the technology and technician related programs, we have wind turbine and technician, welding and fabrication, if you're looking forward to trade courses. And we also have mechanical technician, motive part technicians also we have along with us. And we have computer programming analysis, and we also have mechanical engineering, which I have earlier just spoke about, right? And moving forward, we also have civil engineering programs if you are looking forward to grow into the civil sector. And moving on further, if someone is looking forward to grow into the biotechnology field also, so we do have a program called Biotechnology Advanced, which is only available in September in Tech. And yes, people can punch in this for program. This is a 3 year program, leads to 3 years of work permit again. And we have owned our research labs for these all of the programs, I would say. So people do get hands-on experience while pursuing within the SLC. They do the hands-on projects. If you yeah, moving forward, if I talk about the programs who are people looking forward to grow into some artificial intelligence sort of a program, who are even like business pass outs, they still want to go into analytics or data science or data um, building program. So I would say we have a wonderful program for them, which is Business Analytics International. It's a 2 year course, and which leads to GAM 3 years of work permit. So even business background people, even with the people who are from technology related background, or especially from IT, software engineering or computer science, so they can go into this business analytics. Moving forward, people who are health graduates, especially who are Bachelor of Dental Sciences pass out, or who are Bachelor of Physiotherapy pass out. So they all can go into Healthcare Administration International, which is again a wonderful program of 2 years and offers you a lot many career prospects. You can work into health sectors like clinics, also private sectors, also government sectors. Also, this is all about learning enforcements and law policies about health. And uh, moving forward, if I talk about the other programs, especially the certificates program, general one. So we do have digital marketing communications management if someone is looking forward to grow in the marketing career. So yes, again we have supply chain management also with us, and we do have project management with us, and we have just really newly launched a program which was just started within the September 20 intake, that is international business management, of course, which is open to everyone. I mean, people looking forward with the BBA in their last qualification, or BCom or MCA with their last qualification, even with the MSc IT. So all those people can punch into international business management. It is all about learning the international trading and how it works actually. And we also have some of the certificates program within the health, I would say. So that's autism and behavioral sciences, people looking forward to from the psychology background especially. So if someone is BA psychology pass out, or major psychology pass out, I would say they can go into autism. Health sciences students can go. And even we have therapeutic recreation program, which is all about providing support to the people who are physically not fit or aged, I would say. So yes, people with BPT background, I mean Bachelor of Physiotherapy, or with social sciences, also health sciences students can go into this program, which is like 1 year certificate program. Again, mentioning almost all of our programs offers co-op, like autism and behavioral sciences, one of them which offers co-op. If you go and just check the college website, so you'll find a lot of many programs offers that. Another thing which I would like to mention about that is the tuition fee structure. So we have a range of tuition fee structure, I would say, um, which starts from 15,800 Canadian dollars for 2 semesters and goes up to $21,800. So of 2 semesters again, which for Kingston campus, which is almost across approx 16,000 Canadian dollars for 2 semester, whereas for Cornwall and Brockwell campus, we have it around $15,800 for 2 semester. But we have two different courses, which is business analytics, which is like exceptions, as well as bachelor course. So for this program, we have a different tuition fee structure per year. That is, I mean, 2 semester. That is $21,800 per 2 semesters. But the major part of this tuition fee, which I would like to mention over here, is that you get a lot many services within this tuition fee, which are inclusively free, of course. So first thing is you have a free access to the transportation if you're moving in the Kingston city, so you can travel. And second thing, which is medical coverage, of course, that is also free of cost for you people, and which covers like health and plus it doesn't cover your dental coverage, of course. And another thing which I would like to mention over here is the student services, which includes a lot more services. So any of you people having doubts about that, whether there will be job opportunities, whether part-time or full-time, I mean after graduating or while pursuing your program, or how we'll be getting the help, whether the cities are well enough to provide us those jobs or not. So yes, we even have an international center, I mean, to solve out that problems for you. We have placement coordinators for you people to solve out that issues. But more than that, we have, like, I mean, we provide part-time jobs on campus for you people. So I mean, if you work on campus, you might get, like, there are jobs available like HR administrator or assistant or gallery assistant, student support. So these are the jobs which we post on our campuses, so you can get it. Another thing which I would like to talk about, that the jobs. So you can just talking about part time. You can just go on the website, click. If you can search it on the Google college website. You'll find out that all the jobs are listed over it. And talking about the full time jobs. So if you again go on the college website, you'll find out a icon called Work at SLC. So this is where we list all the jobs related things, like whether even the full time and part time, they all are posted on the website, because we have on portal, like it's a SLC job board we call it. So employers comes and post jobs over it, so you can find from there also to help you people out. And if you still find some issues with that, you can just go to placement coordinators. They'll be helping you out with that issues as well. So more than that, we offer you even if you're looking forward to accommodations on campus, or whether off campus, or even homestays. So yes, we do have assistance for you, though all these accommodations are chargeable. Even we do provide airport pickup for you people, so that is also chargeable. But yes, we can assist you with these services, so there's some cost. Talking about the residence on campus, which are like hostels, so that cost you around $7,500 for a single room. And for a double room, it cost you around $6,500 approximately, for again a 1 year, with $1,700 of a meal plan. Again, talking about homestays, which is like living out with a foreign family and having a room, study area, and then again meal facilities of the 3 times a day, I would say. So that cost you almost approx $900. And again, another thing which I should mention is uh, we do have shared house, like, I mean, if you're looking forward to go into shared house apartment and receive that service, you want to live with your friends, you still can I mean, ask us to get it arranged for you. So shared house apartments are also available, or you can just need to tell us that you want us to arrange that service for you. Even if you're looking forward to airport pickup, yes, we can arrange it for you. That's again chargeable, but yes, the service is there. And there are a lot more services. If someone has a question about scholarships, we do provide groceries for you. I mean, we do have some scholarships for you, but only when you are on campus and you clear a semester, and then you can go to again the service centers to help you out with that also. So we do have that scholarship aid for you. I Now I'll be looking forward to the questions. So if you have any questions, you can just go ahead and ask. And I guess I've covered up all the points. And if you have any questions or anything in your mind, you can just let me know, and I'll be clearing out your doubts and everything right over here. And otherwise, if you want. I mean, you can get your counseling sessions, or if you're looking forward to apply into SLC, you can just come to Turning Point. You can submit your documentations, and everything will be done. Since you need not to go, in person to get your work done, it will be done over a phone call also. So I guess they'll be supporting you. And if you still have any doubts, they'll be there. And yes, to support you as well. So thank you very much. I am just going through the questions. If you will have any doubts or anything like that, you can just punch in over here and your questions, and I'll be answering to them. So hi Janki. We are accepting candidates who has IELTS result in their hands for now. So we are not accepting the other tests. So even if you have any doubts about Duolingo, no, we are not accepting even that. So yes, for now we don't have any information on that, but yes, we only accepting candidates who have actually IELTS with them, the results. Yeah. So any other questions? I guess I'll wait for next 2-3 minutes to for you people to ask questions, and then I'll be just ending the live session for you people. No, Nitish, hi, and we do not accept PT, so we do not accept any other proficiency test except then IELTS. Only IELTS is accepted. Yeah. And Nadeem, you can reach out to Turning Point to clear out your issues and doubts, whatever you have in case to um, applying to SLC. Yes, and you can find the number over their websites itself, or you can message them in person. They'll be helping you out with that. And I have more questions. So I guess this was the only questions, and thank you so much for being connected to the session and listening to me. And yes, I hope you people will be, at your home and stay safe. I would say, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Mr. Dinesh, for giving me an opportunity to be connected with the people even in this thing. Thank you so much once again. Bye. Take care.